Okay, so when you first walk in, this is what you see. So basically on the right side, I have all like my makeup and hair products, perfumes, accessories. So that's like my vanity over here. And then here is our like open closet. And this is what this side looks like. So I'm gonna start over here in this corner. I have this pretty picture and then my perfumes and my husband's perfumes. That's me over there. So, and then I have this commode that I got from IKEA. So in the first drawer are like lashes and stuff. Here is lip products, makeup stuff, but I think mostly lip products, yeah. This third drawer are like lip pencils, blush, highlighters, concealers, like all powdery stuff. And then we have my foundation drawer. Like those are all foundations, some mascaras over here, more foundation, powders. This thing that I got from NYX, that was a PR package, is here. And then here I have like my hair tools, some extra Fix Plus, this is my favorite, some extra brush cleanser, oh my god, yeah, that kind of stuff. So when we move over here, this is where I get ready every morning. Here are my hair products, MAC lipsticks, my brushes, more MAC lipsticks, more MAC lipsticks. I used to work at MAC, so that's why there are so many. Don't think that I'm crazy or that I'm a collector or something. I mean, I do collect makeup, but like I get like sent a lot of makeup in PR, and yeah, I used to work at MAC, so that's why I have so many. Here are my favorite nude lipsticks that I have. Here are just like miscellaneous stuff. This is a BB cream that I use all the time, and this one I use also very often. So when you open up this drawer here, more makeup. So here are all my palettes. Here are palettes. Down there are even more palettes. Here are palettes. Here are palettes. And then like random stuff, beauty blenders. This is a mess, you guys. I did not clean it in probably, I don't know, 6 months. So we're gonna close this. Over here I have my mirror with the lights that you can like light up. I'm gonna show you right now. This is how it looks when it's like lighting up. I'm actually gonna leave this like this. So here is a watch, nothing special. Here I have that. This is something I got from NYX, the last PR package. Those were PR stuff. I just like the vibe. It's like really pretty. My husband likes Boss and Diesel watches, so here's like empty watches. My two only belts that I have, those are fake, by the way. I'm not gonna pay $500 for a belt. I'm not crazy. Here are some sunglasses, my favorite self-tanner, and yeah, that's over here, nothing special. Here I have my jewelry, like I mean earrings, mostly earrings. This acrylic organizer I got from eBay. It was really very inexpensive, about like $5 or so. And all of my earrings are also like really cheap, $2, $1 at the Chinese store or from eBay, Wish, something like that, because I'm not wearing it all the time, so I don't need to have like something very expensive. Anyways, by the way, I could use your help because I don't know where to put this one. I don't want to leave it there because aesthetic is not really here. I was thinking to put it over here on this side, but I don't know yet. Like I have to think about it. So when you move over here, this is where our closets are. So this one is my side, and all of this is my husband's side. So he has a lot of more clothes than I do. Well, here the part is also mine. But yeah, I mean, it doesn't really matter. But like I said, this is how it looks like. Here I have a pretty chandelier that I got. Oh, this is broken. Real life, guys. I got this from Facebook Marketplace for like 30 bucks. It was so inexpensive. By the way, everything here is inexpensive. I don't like spending a lot of money on stuff. So over here I have some bags. This one is fake. This one is actually real. I got this from my mom, and she got it from a old Swiss lady that she used to work for, and she asked just like, yeah, you want to keep this bag? If not, I'm gonna throw it away. And then we realized this is real because we went to a Louis V to check it, and they said it's real. So here's another bag from Primark, and more bags. And over here, like this black thing is my equipment for filming. Yeah, on this side there are just like woman stuff. Nobody needs to know. Anyways, so when you move over here, you have my desk area, like my office. A picture from my husband and I, like a rose thing, something. I like everything like marbly and rose gold. I think you can see that. By the way, this candle is from my dear friend Maya. She is from Zurich, and she has like her own company where she does surprise candles with a jewelry inside. So that's pretty nice. I'm gonna link it down below where you can like shop it. But yeah, I think it's really pretty. So moving on to this side. So here are my shoes. This is, by the way, not all of my shoes. I just put like the prettiest ones here. I have like some random everyday shoes that I don't put here. So this is all for my husband, I think, until here, and the rest is all mine. Oh my god, it's a lot. Something is missing. Oh, I know, it's my friend. So yeah, this is how my beauty room looks like, or our beauty room, let's say. It's pretty nice. I really like this room. And like I said, everything is from IKEA. Like literally everything is from IKEA. Like every single furniture thing here is from IKEA. So really inexpensive. You don't need to spend a lot of money to have something like this. So yeah, if you have any questions or something, guys, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.